I dead? Father, look at me. I'm right here, son. I'm right here. How is this possible?
You are banished from death.
You're it.
We'll be together, my love. Soon. Forever.
We will be together again soon, my love. What has happened to me?
The curse has bound us together.
And how do we break it?
We find the one who cast it on us.
I had a family once. A wife. And a son. And I buried them along with everyone I ever knew.